Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to evaluate an essay sent by a student. So the purpose of this video is to show you how exactly an essay is evaluated in your IELTS exam, I mean word by word, and also find out some common mistakes that a lot of people do. Because what happens is, like, when you come back from your IELTS exam, you set an expectation in your mind based on your self analysis of the performance. But if you don't get nearby, you think that where exactly you have gone wrong, or was there something wrong in the process. So that is why I'm doing this. So make sure you watch the full video and share it as much as possible so that more and more people get benefited. So the statement is here: nowadays more and more people prefer to wear fashionable clothes. Is this a good or a bad trend? Now let's go through the response. Having fashionable dress has become a trend recently. Although there are several positive aspects as to why one should wear this dress, which dress, I believe this to be a bad trend because of its nature and the impacts it may has. Okay, several things. Impact it may have. It is completely wrong to write impact it may have. So subject verb agreement, a very common mistake. In fact, I tell this to all my students, like, always write proper subject verb agreement, because if you can master subject verb agreement, lot of grammatical errors you can correct yourself, and like you're gonna write in a much better way. Again, let's go through this. Having fashionable dress has become a trend recently. Although a comma you can write after that. Although there are several positive aspects as to why one should wear such dress, I believe this to be, it's not absolutely clear, but and we also found some grammatical error. Let's go to the next paragraph. Fashionable clothes does not always imply quality. Do you see a mistake? I see straight away. Fashionable clothes, so clothes third party plural, does, absolutely wrong. Fashionable clothes do not always imply quality clothes. One biggest problem, now this is also not good. You can write one of the biggest problems, or you can write the biggest problem with this sort of cloths is the misperception of people towards quality branded cloths. Quality in terms of cotton and fabric used may vary substantially between fashionable dapper cloths and those that are not but have higher quality. By concentrating more on fashionable trend, people often tend to ignore the quality of it. Like, you don't need to write unnecessary words. Many people nowadays, for example, get cheated, again subject verb agreement, get cheated while trying to buy fashionable clothes, as the color turns out to fade away 1 or 2 months later. Okay, that is also fine. But again, we found grammatical errors and the structures need to be improved. People also tend to ignore other productive avenues of life while they try to focus more on fashionable dress or fashionable dresses. That would be better. People often try hard and fast to look fashionable, so much so that it gets prioritized over other aspects of life, like finishing a task given by the work supervisor, or working on an innovative research idea. Preposition. Many studies have demonstrated that people kill valuable amount of time trying to look attractive in other people's eyes, and they tend to forget how to be productive all the time. At the end, he is coming in a better way. In conclusion, trying to wear fashionable clothes is not at all a bad trend, but other avenues of life are not prioritized. But when other, then it becomes a problem. Okay, even the end was better. So he has some grammatical errors and other things. So I would, like, of course I do not have any tool that I can tell you exactly how much band this essay will fetch in your IELTS exam, but based on my analysis, this may get you anything between 6 to 6.5. So that's it for now, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes to your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.